Marvelous morning. Welcome to our SVB family. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to discuss Plus 1 English Unit 3 Vocabulary. Guys, what's the differentiation between vocabulary and grammar? Listen. Grammar is the set of structural rules that govern the composition of sentences, phrases and words. For example, how to conjugate verbs and put them into sentences. Vocabulary is the set of words that are familiar within a language. For example, a list of parts of the body, hair, eyes, lips, teeth is vocabulary. See students, what's the vocabulary in English grammar? The noun vocabulary refers to the words used in a language. The word vocabulary can have at least 3 different meanings. All of the words in a language, new words are constantly being added to the vocabulary of English. See this picture students, homograph and homophone. Homograph, home means same, graph means written. See this picture, bow, tear, record. See, homophone already you know very well, same sound but different meaning. Home means same, phone means sound. See this picture, night, night. Same sound you know but different meanings. Yes. Night and night. Next one. See. S-E-E. See. S-E-A-C. Yes. Next one. See. Homonyms, homophones and homographs. Homonyms, homophones and homographs. Students, homonyms are words that are pronounced the same and may be spelled the same or differently but differ in meaning. Once again, homonyms are words that are pronounced the same and may be spelled the same or differently but differ in meaning. See this example. Nim means name. Example, Amper, girl's name. The same Amper is fossilized resin. Next one, homophones. Homophones are words that are pronounced the same but are spelled differently and differ in meaning also. Phone means sound. Example, hear, H-E-A-R, hear, receive sound. And the same, hear, H-E-R-E, hear, in place. Same sound, different meaning, known as homophones. See students, homographs. Homographs are words that are spelled the same but are not pronounced the same and differ in meaning. Example, graph means writing, you know very well. Example, lead, graphic, and the same lead, guide. See this picture students, homophone. Home means same and phone means sound. Picture the same sound, 8, 8, right, right, see, see, yes. Homophones are words that have the same sound but different spelling and meanings. Example, bear, bear, so, saw, I. Look, see the example, look out for the big bear. The cupboards were bare. Second one, I have a sore throat. Second one, I saw a penguin at the zoo. Listen guys, common homonyms. Common homonyms, already you know bat and band, ruler, sink, right, ring, tie and watch. See, bat. I am afraid of bats. Next one, see this picture. It's his first time at bat in the major leagues. Second one students, Band. The band is playing old Beatles song. The band's playing old Beatles songs. She always, see this picture also, this band. She always ties her hair back in a band. See, ruler. I have a 12-inch ruler. See this picture, students. King Prime was a firm but just ruler. Next one. Ring. What a beautiful ring. See this, students, exclamation mark given, this exclamatory type. Ring. What a beautiful ring. Next one. The children sat on the floor in a ring. Tie. See this picture, students. He had to tie her hands together. Next picture, the same tie. I wear a shirt and tie at work. Next one, letter. There is a letter for you. Second one, B is the second letter of the alphabet. B is the second letter of the alphabet. Next one, can. Gabriela can speak French fluently. We drank a can of Coke each. See, students, homophones. Break, break. Same sound, but it gives a different meaning. For example, first one, break. I need a break. And second one, break. He stopped with a squall of the brakes. The same sound, students. Buy, buy. But different meaning. Listen. First one, buy. I want to buy a new coat. Second one, buy. The telephone is by the window. Next, sight, sight. He was cited for bravery. A site has been chosen for the new school. Cellar, cellar. We don't use our gold cellar anymore. Next one, cellar. See is a flower cellar. See, listen guys. Homo grabs. Quarter, quarter. It's a quarter past 12. 12:15. What do you say? It's a quarter past 12. Next one, quarter. I use a quarter to buy a piece of cake. Bat. I am afraid of bats. Same, bat. It's his first time at bat in the major leagues. Bank. I worked for a bank. He jumped in and swam to the opposite bank. These are called homograbs. See, in your text, dear students, in your text, page number 71, homonyms and heteronyms. Homonyms are two or more words that have same pronunciation but different meanings. They are of two types. The first one, homograbs. Homograbs are words with same spelling and same sound but different in meanings. Example, park. A piece of public land for recreation. The same park, to leave a vehicle in a particular place. Second one, students, bat. A sport equipment for hitting the ball. The same bat, a mammal. Next one, students, homophones. Homophones are two or more words with the same sound but with different spelling and meanings. Deer, a loved one. The same deer, a wild animal. Next one, heteronyms. Heteronyms, also known as heterophones, are two or more words with the same spelling but different sounds and meanings. Example, lead. It means nothing but a metal. The same lead, guide. Yes, minute, a period of time. And another one, minute, very small. Yes. Okay. Students, in your text, page number 72. Yes, see this example. In your textual example here, nobody can say dash. There will be an improvement in the dash. Tell the answer, students. First one answer, weather, W-H-E-T-H-E-R. Second one, the same, weather, W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Next one, your ring is dash. Don't dash it. First one answer, your ring is loose, L-O-O-S-E. The second one, the same, loose, L-O-S-E. Yes. Next one, we found. These are some example for homophone students. Same sound but different meaning is. We found a dash of biscuits in the old man's shirt. Dash. First one, packet. P-A-C-K-E-T. First dash. We found a packet of biscuits in the old man's shirt. Second dash, pocket. P-O-C-K-E-T. Next one. When the pole vaulter cleared 28 dash, it was declared a record dash. First one, feet, F-E-E-T, first dash. And second one answer, F-E-A-T. Next one, explain the dash, cut your dash according to your cloth. Students, first one answer, coat, Q-U-O-T-E. Second one, C-O-A-T. The stranger danced for a few minutes before he dashed my house. The stranger paused, P-A-U-S-E-D. The second one, P-A-S-S-E-D. The dancer turned after the final performance. The W-I-R-Y, first one answer. This wiry. Second one answer, the weary, W-E-A-R-Y. The chain that I presented to my sister was not made of gold. It was just gilt, G-I-L-T, the first one answer. Second one, I am suffering from a sense of guilt, G-U-I-L-T. Yes. Come on guys, let's discuss clipped words. Students, what's meant by clipped words? What's meant by clipped words? We came across the word perambulator in the last paragraph of the story. The word perambulator can also be expressed as pram, P-R-A-M, pram in short. The word perambulator, my dear guys, you know perambulator? Child carriers. Yes. Once again, the word perambulator is an unclipped word and the word P-R-A-M, pram, is a clipped word. What are clipped words, students? Clipped words are words that are formed by dropping one or more syllables from longer words without changing the meaning. Clipping is forming new words by shortening long words. We usually use them while speaking or in a informal speech. Listen, aeroplane, plane, examination, exam, demarcate, mark. Aeroplane, unclipped word, and plane, clipped words. These are the differentiation between unclipped word and clipped. Okay, students listen. Chimpanzee, chimp. Microphone, mic, M-I-K-E, yes. Gasoline, gas. Telephone, phone. University, varsity. See this spelling, students, very very important. Varsity, V-A-R-S-I-T-Y, varsity. And influenza, flu. Bridegroom, groom. You know bridegroom? Manamagan. Groom, manamagal. Demonstration, demo. And photograph, photo. Cafeteria, cafe. Helicopter, copter. Refrigerator, fridge. Memorandum, memo. Hippopotamus, hippo. Fanatic, fan. Champion, champ. See, it's very very important. I will tell additional. Laboratory, lab. Advertisement, ad. Single D only. AD, that's all. Handkerchief, kerchief. Fountain pen, pen. Gymnasium, gym. Demarcate, mark. Telephone, phone. Kilogram, kilo. Suitcase, case. Perambulator, pram. PRAM. Disco, taxi, cab, taxi, and hamburger, burger, helicopter, copter, demonstration, demo, telepathy, tele, and microphone, mic, spectacles, specs, examination, exam, refrigerator, fridge, influenza, flu, mathematics, maths, photograph, photo, and then chimpanzee, chimp. Dear students, next class we will discuss the topic write definition of words in this unit 3 vocabulary. Thank you students. Thank you to one and all. Presented by K. Yasoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vithi Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakrampalayam.